So I have here Junior. Junior, where do you are coming from?
Pennsylvania.
How old are you?
8.
Okay, good. So, your mom decided to bring you here. This is the Jeff Resort Lifestyle Center. And who else came with you?
My brother, my sister, and my mom.
Very good. So why did your mom decide to bring the whole family?
So we can get better.
Can get better? So what kind of problem do you have?
I have diabetes type 1.
Okay. And do you think you'll be able to eat healthier? Did you like the food? Okay. Can you tell me what food was the one you liked the best?
My favorite was the breakfast I had yesterday.
And what was that?
The...
Perfect?
Yep.
You like the cream that you put between all that?
Yep.
And how about what do you like the best? The waffles, the bread, or the crackers?
The cream.
Oh, the cream in the parfait. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, but from the baking things, which one you like the best? The crackers, the bread, or the waffles?
The crackers.
The crackers you like the best. Why? Because they're crunchy?
Yeah, and yummy.
Okay. I know you ate bread this morning. You were eating bread. So you liked it, but the best was the crackers.
Yeah.
Did you like the waffles?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. Not as bad as the crackers.
Yeah, but I'd rather have bread than the waffle.
Okay, so number 1 is cracker, number 2 is the bread, number 3 is the waffles.
Yep.
Okay. Any other food that was your favorite food?
Yeah.
Like which one? For lunch?
For lunch, I liked the you know those little like patty things that we had?
Oh, yeah.
That
The
was
patties.
good. That was good.
That was lentil patties.
Yeah, that was good.
Okay. We have to give the recipe to your mom because I know you cannot eat a stuff that will raise the blood sugar.
Yeah.
So, but the coconut with fiber is good, right?
Yeah.
For your blood sugar. Also the avocado, zero glycemic. So we have to make very low glycemic foods for you. It's a special food for you.
Yeah.
So I hope you enjoy it, all this. So, okay, so I'm going to miss you. I know you told me too that you're going to miss me. But I'm so happy you came. It was just such a blessing to see you liking everything and, everybody like you and you interact well with everybody. So I just want to thank you. So, shake hands. God bless you.